Buyer showing activity on homes listed for sale reveals that buyer activity fell from a January mid-month high through the snow and ice storms, but did rebound slightly this past week. It's Friday, February 27th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Buyer activity is dramatically lower than the high of 2022, and it is taking 11 more days to go to contract this year than last year. Data indicates that all Maryland regions are suffering from limited buyer activity. All areas are clocking in at either slow or limited. Those are the very lowest measurements for buyer activity. New resale inventory to hit the market since last report rose 12%. This report to 1,475 and at a median list price of $400,995. Coming soon properties this report are 1,387 properties at a median list price of $470,000. New contracts rose 1% to 1,493 properties and at a median list price of $419,000 at time of contract. Days before contract did improve to 24 days. 959 properties sold this report in 27 days at 98.9% list to sold ratio. Not a lot of change there week over week. Rental units dipped again this report to 3,450 units available at $2,500 per month. And these have been active for 48 days. Got questions about your specific circumstance? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, February 27th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.